the measure of one of the angles of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle, and the measure of the other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measure of the three angles. If you see here, we have got the measure of the one angle of a triangle. It's twice. That means it is twice the smallest angle and thrice the measure of the smallest angle. Right? So, in both the cases you can see you have got the smallest angle. So, we will start with let the measure of the smallest angle be x degree. Let the measure of the smallest angle be x degree. Right? Now, measure of the smallest angle we have given as x degree. Now, measure of other two angles will be what? It is twice the measure of other two angles. Measure of other two angles are what it said? It said twice are 2x degrees and thrice and 3x degrees respectively, because it is stating twice the smallest angle and thrice the smallest angle. And what is the smallest angle? The smallest angle is x degree. Now, if you know the sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, we will write over here. Therefore, what we have with us, we have got three angles with us. Smallest angle we have taken as x degree, then we have taken as 2x degree, then we have as 3x degree. Therefore, x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degrees. And reason, sum of the measures, yes, sum of the measures of angles of a triangle. Now let us add this. Therefore, x plus 2x plus 3x, 3 plus 2, 5 and 1, 6x is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to, your division, when it goes here, multiplication, 180 upon 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 to 12, 6 threes are 18, you get 30. Therefore, x is equal to 30 degrees. We got the value of x as 30 degrees. So, measure of other two angles. One angle is 30 degrees, but what is the measure of the other two angles? Therefore, measure of other two angles are, therefore, measure of other two angles are, what are the measures of the other two angles are what? 2x. We have 2x which is equal to 2 into, what we got the value of? X as 30. That means it becomes 60 degrees. And other 3x. 3 into 30 is equal to 90 degrees. Have we got it? Therefore, measure of the three angles are, measure of the three angles are, what we got? 30 degrees. Second, what we got? 60 degrees and 90 degrees. In the given figure, measures of some angles are given. Using the measures, find the values of x, y, z. We have to find the values of x, y and z. Now if you carefully look here to find the value of y, you will see that these two are angles in a linear pair. So this angle plus this angle gives me 180 degrees, angles in a linear pair. So I can get this value. This angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees, again angles in the linear pair. I can get this value. Now I got this value, I got this value. To get this value, I know that the sum of the measures of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So when I get this, I'll add this and subtract it 180, I can get the value of x. So let's start this. Solution. Angle NEM plus angle TEN is equal to 180 degrees. Reason, angles in a linear pair. Angles in a linear pair. Angle NEM is given to us as y, therefore y plus TEN is how much? 100 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore y is equal to 180 degrees. Bring this 100 this side, minus 100 degrees. Therefore y is equal to 180 minus 100 gives me 80 degrees. Now I got the value of y. Let us see, we get the value of z. To get the value of z, angle EMN plus angle EMR is equal to 180 degrees. Again, same reason, angles in a linear pair. Angle EMN is how much? Z. Therefore, Z plus EMR is how much? 140 degrees. This is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, Z is equal to 180 degrees. Bring this minus 140 degrees this side. Therefore, 180 degrees minus 140 degrees gives me how much? 40 degrees. Therefore, Z is equal to 40 degrees. Now I got the value of y, I got the value of z. Now let us consider this triangle. So which triangle? In triangle ENM, in triangle ENM, angle E plus angle N plus angle M is equal to 180 degrees. Angle ENM plus, what is the next angle? Angle NEM, angle NEM plus, which is the third angle? Angle EMN is equal to 180 degrees. And what is the reason? Sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle. Sum of measures, sum of the measures of angles of a triangle, okay, is equal to 180 degrees. So we know that the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, we are going to write it very carefully. ENM. Did we get the value of ENM? We got the value of ENM. We got the value of ENM. But what we are going to write here is Therefore, x, ENM is x plus NEM is how much? Y. How much is this? Z is equal to 180 degrees as per the therefore x plus what is the value of y? 80 degrees. What is the value of z? 40 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore x plus 80 plus 40 gives me 120, which is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 180 degrees. Bring this plus 120 that side, it becomes minus 120 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 60 degrees. We got the values of x, we got the value of y, and we got the value of z.